The Tunnel of Nature. Nestled in one of the island's most hidden corners, a breathtaking rock tunnel emerges as a natural window, perfectly showcasing the stunning mountains and the azure sea of San Nicolás de la Aldea. Fine art photograph printed on elastic paper, 50 by 70 centimeters, delivered safely in a protected cardboard tube. To order, simply scan the QR code or contact me via WhatsApp on +34 633 744 841. Price unframed €125. This exhibition presents the work of Joan Escala Usarralde, a Catalan photographer established in Gran Canaria, who captures the island's essence through light, landscapes, and unique moments. Each image reflects Joan's passion for preserving the beauty of Gran Canaria and sharing it with those who visit. Thank you for spending your time here and sharing this journey with me.